Hello everyone. Let's have some fun learning about agriculture. Cooperative farming. Cooperative farming is done by people who pool in their land and other resources for farming. In areas where people have economically unviable small pieces of land, a mutual joint farming activity on a cooperative basis was found profitable. Countries like Norway, Sweden, Belgium, Denmark, and the Netherlands run such cooperatives. In India, many farmers in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu practice this farming very successfully. Now, comparison between the farming of India and USA. Farming agriculture practice in India. Size of farm is very small, about 1.5 hectares, whereas size of farm is very large in USA, about 250 to 500 hectares. Farming in India, most Indian farmers have economically unviable when small piece of land agricultural plots due to division of land among the family members. So the farmers have small piece of land where the country to what we see in India, the farm of USA has large holding where extensive farming is practiced using machine. Next is land is intensively cultivated. Double and multiple cropping is very common. Wheat, rice, pulses, etc. are main crop grown. Extensive type of farming is practiced in USA where yield per acre is low but the yield per worker is high. In India, all family members help in various agricultural activities. Production is for self-uses and hardly there is any surplus. These farmers continue to use age-old cultivation practice of plowing with blocks and harvesting crops manually. They do not get high yield. Whereas in USA, most of work is done by machines, manual labor is scarce, very less and therefore expensive. In India, use of traditional method of farming, use of machine is limited. They are using age-old cultivation practice. And whereas in USA, modern irrigation facilities are used. Green Revolution. In India, Green Revolution use of high-yielding variety seeds due to which agricultural production has increased manifolds. Green Revolution launched by government after independence helped to educate farmers about agricultural practice. Farmers were given incentives, better seeds, and fertilizer and assured supply of power and water through irrigation canal to help them increase their agricultural yield manifolds. In USA, animals are rare on dairy farms. Mixed farming is common. Fodder crops are grown to feed the animals. In India, farmers keep domestic animals like buffaloes, hen, etc. for milk and eggs, etc. Farmers don't have transport and shortage facility in India, thus sell their product in local market at low price. Whereas in USA, the highly scientific method of agriculture use. Example, soil is tested frequently for its fertility and best suitability for crop to be grown. A typical farmer in prairies in huge with separate building for cattle rearing, shade for machinery, and large steel structure called silos, silos for storage of harvested grain. So this type of problem, which kind of problem Indian farmer are facing, so that is why they sell their product in local market at low price, and the USA farmer are not facing that kind of problem. The farmer's residence is modern with all facilities for good living. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much.